Question 7 says, tell what property allows you to compute 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3, where the bracket is around 6 into 4 by 3, as 1 by 3 into 1 by 6 into 4 by 3, where the bracket is around 1 by 3 into 1 by 6. So let's compare these two expressions carefully. So the first expression is 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. So to calculate this expression, you would first multiply 6 and 4 by 3. So you would first calculate the term inside the bracket, and then you would multiply it by 1 by 3. And to calculate the second expression, which is 1 by 3 into 1 by 6 into 4 by 3, because the bracket is around 1 by 3 into 6, you would first calculate 1 by 3 into 6, and then you would calculate this multiplied by 4 by 3. And basically these two products, these two answers will come out to be equal. And the question is asking us what property allows us to say this. Well, this equation is basically saying that you can multiply in any order. You can first multiply 6 and 4 by 3 and then 1 by 3, or you can first multiply 1 by 3 and 6 and then 4 by 3. And this property of multiplication, that you can multiply in any order, is called the associativity of multiplication. So make sure that you get the pronunciation and spelling correct. This is called associativity of multiplication, and this property basically says that if you have to multiply three numbers A, B and C, you could first multiply B and C and then multiply the product with A to get this expression, or you could first multiply A and B and then multiply the product with C, and in both cases you will get the same answer. So the product will be the same. So this is the associativity of multiplication, and this completes question number 7. To learn more about how Cuemath can help you crack school and board exams, explore Cuemath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.